Look at this transformation. Same space, same room size, but a completely different feeling. So what changed? Most rooms feel wrong because of one bad decision that affects everything else. A rug that's too small, furniture placed in the wrong position, a TV wall that feels unplanned. And when everything is put together, it's not really design, it's just a room without consideration. So today, I'll show you this room's full before, the full after, and then break down the one change at a time that completely transformed the space. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Changing rug size. Take a look at how this living area feels. The rug here is 1,200 by 1,700 millimeters, a small, low-pile woven area rug placed at the center of the room. The rectangular coffee table sits on it, but the L-shaped fabric sofa and the round side table are completely outside the rug. So instead of grounding the seating area, the rug visually breaks the space and makes everything feel disconnected. Now compare that with this. You can upgrade to a 2,000 by 2,900 millimeters low-pile area rug, sized to match the seating area. Your furniture pieces now sit partially or completely on the rug, so the furniture finally reads as one zone. This change doesn't require new furniture, just one piece, and suddenly the room feels wider and calmer. Sofa repositioning. When your home has an L-shaped sofa and you position it this way, especially in a small living space, you're doing it wrong. The long side of the L is pushed tight against the wall, while the short side blocks part of the walkway. This is a very common setup in many homes, probably even in your living room. So instead of relaxing straight on, you end up sitting slightly turned every time someone passes through the space. Now look at the after. The sofa is still an L-shaped fabric sectional, but the difference is how it's aligned. All sides are pushed against the wall, where the longer side faces the TV directly, and the shorter side defines the seating zone while saving space. So even though the sofa stays against the wall, your viewing angle is now straight and comfortable. TV wall redesign. This is one of those setups that looks okay until you really look at it. The TV is mounted on a plain wall with a 1,200 millimeter white console sitting underneath. Nothing is broken, but the wall feels empty and unplanned. The console is too short for the TV, so the whole setup feels temporary. And if this is your TV wall, it probably feels like something you'll fix later. This is where scale starts to matter. You can turn your TV wall into the main focal point of the room. The TV stays centered, but now it's mounted on a white marble panel. Vertical wood slats are added, so the TV stops floating and becomes part of the architecture. Meanwhile, a floating console is extended to 1,800 to 2,200 millimeters, instantly grounding the TV. This works because the wall now has structure. The TV is framed, the console matches the scale, and the materials add depth without clutter. So even in your living room, this one change can make everything feel more finished. Lighting upgrade. This is the part most people don't think about. Some homeowner relies on one ceiling light to do all the work. It lights the space, but it doesn't shape it. If this is your living room, it probably looks fine during the day, but at night it feels dull and unfinished. This is where lighting changes everything. You can upgrade to a multi-tiered cage pendant light, which adds visual interest even when it's turned off. Then, task and accent lighting are added. A curved arc floor lamp with dome shade is placed beside the L-shaped sofa, lighting the seating area directly. A mushroom table lamp is added on the TV console, softening the wall and balancing the TV visually. Your room now has layers of light at different heights. At night, your living room feels completely different, even though the layout didn't change. Color repaint. At first glance, this wall color feels safe. The walls are painted in a light neutral tone, which keeps the space bright. It works, but it also feels a bit cold. If this looks like your home, the space probably feels clean, but not quite inviting. Now notice how the room feels more grounded. The walls are repainted in a warmer beige, adding subtle contrast to the space. Nothing else changed, but the room instantly feels cozier and more balanced. The color adds warmth without making the space feel smaller, so the furniture and wood finishes stand out more naturally. Wall color sets the emotional tone of your space. Same layout, same furniture, but the atmosphere is completely different. Storage removal. In the before, this wall is filled with tall storage cabinets. They're functional, but they visually dominate your space. The wall feels heavy and closed in, so even though you gain storage, your room feels smaller. If this looks like your home, you probably added storage to stay organized. But without realizing it, the storage became the problem. Now look at the after. The tall cabinets are completely removed. In their place, you can add full-height vertical niche shelves where you can display decorative items. You can simplify the wall with slim vertical wood slats and a floating console. Then style the wall with large abstract wall art, finished with a slim picture light. You technically have less storage, but the space works better, so instead of blocking the wall, you let the space breathe. Let's take one last look at the full before and after. This room wasn't small, it just had a few decisions working against it. Now, look at the after. Nothing here is extreme. This is what good design really is. It's about fixing the one decision that's throwing everything off. If this helped you spot the mistake in your own home, let me know in the comments which change made the biggest difference. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.